Alright everyone, so this platform has earned me a lot of USDT, to be frank with you. So this is my 2 days profit, which is 4.18 USDT. Officially, I've been able to withdraw about 30 USDT out from this crypto platform. Now there is no need for you to make any deposits. Besides, there is no need for you to make any registration. Let me show you how this platform actually works. First thing first, let me try to disconnect my wallet and show you how this is done. Now, all you need to do first is to just visit your Play Store or your App Store and make sure to download this application called Trust Wallets. So this is the common crypto I'm actually going to use for this video, but you can officially use any other external wallet which will be shown or listed among this particular video crypto wallet, but I prefer you using the Trust Wallet. So just open or download a Trust Wallet application. So you can see I have my Trust Wallet here. All right, so once you have done launching this application, make sure to check under the description of this particular video. There is a link there for the site. All right, there is a link there which will take you to the site. Just tap on it and it's going to take you here without making any registration. Once you get here, what you need to do here is to just scroll through and find out that people are even cashing out a lot of USDT each and every single day. Now come to this aspect here which says connect wallet. So click on connect wallet, and these are the available wallets you can go ahead and choose from. So you have the Trust Wallet, the Uniswap wallet, the SafePay, the BitGate wallet, and all wallets. Now, Trust Wallet is the most common and the easiest way to connect to the platform. It's actually going to mine some free crypto into your account, some free USDT into your account. So just tap on Trust Wallet and you can see automatically it is trying to connect. So just click on allow and just input in either any of your password, and then it's gonna tell you that Polygon, so you are using the USDT Polygon, want to connect to your wallet. Or you simply need to just allow this connection and just click on connect. Automatically it has been connected, meaning I'm actually going to mine free USDT each and every single day. But mind you that you have to have some little amount of tokens in your account. Now I'm going ahead to show you the withdrawal proof because I'm going to withdraw this my 4 crypto wallets into my Trust Wallet account. So all I need to do is just input in 4.1 because I currently want to withdraw 4.18 USDT out from this account, and just click on withdraw. It's automatically going to be withdrawn into your crypto wallet. So just click on confirm and it's gonna take some few seconds, and then just click on allow. All right, so I'm actually trying to receive my crypto. All right, so just click on confirm here, and then your account or your 4 USDT will be accredited to you. All right, so I just have to wait for this amount of money to reflect in my accounts. So I have to wait for these seconds before this amount of money withdraw into my account. So as we wait for the countdown, let's see how it works. All right, so this is the withdrawal going on. So you see withdrawal success, which means my money has been taken. You can see the deduction has been taken here, so it has been sent into my Trust Wallet. All right, so I would like to refresh. All right, so this is my 4 USDT here. All right, so I've able to complete the 4 USDT which have been sent into my account here right now. So this is my 4 USDT which have been shown in the account. So this is how the platform works, but please make sure to have at least 10 USDT in this particular account before. Try to have 10 USDT in your Trust Wallet account before you connect your wallet to the platform. So at least some 10 USDT will do. Just connect it and then start mining your crypto USDT each and every single day. So you can see mine is connected, and I'm actually going to mine each and every single day. So thank you very much for watching this particular video. All you need to do is just subscribe to this particular YouTube channel, like it, leave a nice comment, and check under the description. The link is there for you to join the platform for free. Thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video.